Hello everyone, I am Dave. I'm going to introduce the new integration functionality of HeiChat. Previously, in this area, integration was WhatsApp, and we have now moved the WhatsApp menu into this section. Then we added this webhook. Through integration webhook connection, you can directly report events generated by HeiChat via webhook to any platform, such as these help desk platforms like Zendesk or Gorgias. HeiChat also allows multiple events to be reported simultaneously, such as new customer arrivals, automatic ticket updates, restock reminders, or AI-generated orders are all allowed. In this video, I will demonstrate how to establish an overall connection and setup between Webhook, Zapier, and Gorgias. For other functions, you might need to find your developer to implement them. I will first show how to subscribe to the ticket part of HeiChat. I have already logged into Zapier and Gorgias. The ultimate effect I want to achieve is that when relevant data appears in HeiChat, it can be automatically synchronized directly to Gorgias. This is the functionality I want to implement. Now let's see how to implement it. First, let's operate in Zapier. Click Create in the upper left corner, click Zap to add a new one called Webhook, and here the trigger event is written as CatchHook. Then we continue here. Nothing needs to be written in the config, and in the test section, Zapier will help you build a webhook URL. At this time, we copy and paste this URL to this place. Okay then, click Save here. We selected the event to automatically synchronize tickets at this time. Next step, I click Test Event in HeiChat. At this time, HeiChat transmitted some test data to Zapier through this webhook. Then in the next step, we select Gorgias here, we select Create Ticket, then select the account I have already connected to HeiChat next to Config. At this time, the webhook I created earlier in Zapier has already received some data. I can match the data here, for example, subject. Well, we have obtained some request data here with some payload, okay? So at this place, we directly add the relevant data. The subject here will have CatchHook by Zapier. We first put subject, payload subject. Okay, this is the data saved from the previous step. Then in the next step, these channels do not need to be filled in. For from address, add a payload content, right? This is the email information that exists in the customer ticket. Then for to address, it is generally filled with your own company's customer service email. For example, HeiChat's email is this. Body is the content. So we put the content as this, payload details, right? Okay. So put details in. Finally, there is a name, front name. Let's see above. There is payload guest name being counted together. After this, it's done. Click Continue. At this place retest step. At this time Zapier sends ticket to Gorgias. 1 second ago send. So let's check in Gorgias if we have received new data. Okay, received. From customer, still this name, and the last message is I need refund. So the entire chain is working. Okay. Alright, now let's see after I have set up Zapier, we go to HeiChat to chat with AI and submit a ticket and see if the whole process works. Will Gorgias receive it? Here is our AI chat, right? I select Need Help here. After clicking Need Help, I write my problem is, well, I have a big problem and I need a refund, right? And then I directly click Submit. Okay, at this time in HeiChat's backend, we don't even need to go to the HeiChat backend, then we directly go to Zapier to find new record. Let's see. Okay, new data has come in, this request C, so we go to Gorgias to retest step at this time. Send ticket to Gorgias, good. A new ticket was sent to Gorgias, just now there were 4, now there's already a 5th one. Click here, I have a big problem, and I need a refund. This whole process is working. Okay, in this entire tutorial, we now only show this ticket through Zapier to link. In fact, through Webhook, we can connect to many platforms, even internal CRM systems, internal database management systems. These will require you to find your own technical team to provide support under the premise of having this capability. Okay, I am Dave. If you have any questions, you can leave a message below this video.